We are looking forward to see all the exhibits. Correct answer is the letter B. Mali siya. Bakit? Kasi yung to sa looking forward to ay isang preposition. At bilang preposition, ang kailangang sumunod sa kanya ay object. Or yung tinatawag nga nating object of the preposition. Yan yung nouns or noun phrases na sumusunod dun sa preposition. Halimbawa, pag sinabi kong in my bag, yung my bag, yan yung noun phrase. O kaya, at the party, may kasama siyang noun phrase, yung the party. Particularly, yung noun dyan is yung party. So, dito, kailangan noun din yung sumunod sa kanya. Ito, gagawin nating noun. So, para mabilis, gawin natin siyang gerund. Right? Gagawin natin siyang seeing. Yung seeing dyan is a gerund. So, yung gerund natin dito, nag-function na siya as a noun or as the object of our preposition. Ito tandaan nyo, pag may nakita kayong look forward to, ang kasunod lagi niya, gerund. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to hearing from you. Now, kung hindi gerund, legit na noun phrase yung kasunod niya. Halimbawa, I look forward to the party. I look forward to graduation. I look forward to summer. Ganon lang siya.